And now let's proceed with some refactoring of the code. It's required because on the server the bot should work with a webhook approach instead of polling which we used locally. For this purpose, let's introduce the mode variable which will have two possible values. First one is a def mode and the second one is a prod mode. Then let's add an additional check of mode variable and set up the hook. Let's start from importing the login module. Here I have already prepared the basic configuration of login, and then let's retrieve the logger. Also, let's get the mode variable. For def mode, nothing is changed, we just use the same start polling method. Here let's create run function and log that we are running in the def mode. And here start polling. For prod mode, let's start the webhook. You can do it in the following way. First parameter is listen, which should be equal to following value. The second one is a port. We will retrieve it from environment variables, but also we will set the default value equal to 8443. The next parameter is URL path, that should be equal to token. And the last one parameter is webhook URL, which should be the following. Here the application name should be injected, so we will introduce the new environment variable. And here the token value should be added. So let's format the string. First one is Heroku application name. And the second one is a token. If no mode is specified, then let's log error and terminate execution. For this purpose, let's also import this module. The last change which should be done is replacing this line with the call of new run method. Yeah, it's done. Now let's push the changes and set the new environment variables locally and on the server. So let's go to the git bash. Let's commit it. And push it to the GitHub. And now let's push it to Heroku. While it's pushing, let's set up the variables. For local development, we need just to set the mode equal to dev So let's do it. Yeah, it's done. And for prod environment, we need to add mod and application name variables. So let's go to Heroku, our config variables, mod equal to prod, and application name should be equal to Udemy Telegram bot. As you can see, the bot was pushed and deployed. We have done all the points, and now we have everything for successful work of the bot. So let's test it. Let's type start. Yeah, it's responding. Let's create reminder. And let's enter a time. Yeah, the reminder is created, so now let's wait a bit when it will be fired. Great, it's working, the reminder was fired. As a result, the bot is working on the Heroku server and it's accessible for any Telegram user. Congratulations!